Hi children, welcome back to the EVS class. How are you all? I am fine and I hope all are fine in your homes. Okay, better to don't go outside. Okay, so what are the teachers are giving works to you? You should complete in time and send it. Okay, now we are going to the our topic weather and seasons. Weather and seasons. So what is our topic today? Weather and seasons. Now we will study about the weather first. Weather. What is mean by weather? Weather is a condition. Weather is a condition of atmosphere of a particular place or a time. Okay, so what is mean by weather? Weather is a condition of atmosphere of a particular place or a time. For example, now when we see the outside, sometimes mornings are cool. Okay, sometimes during morning it is rainy. Okay, and sometimes it is windy, and sometimes it is rainy, and sometimes we are feeling cool, and sometimes we are feeling hot. Okay, some days are windy, some days are cloudy, and some days are rainy. Okay, so what is it called? It is called a weather. What is the weather condition now during afternoon? It is hot. So like that, what is meant by weather? Weather is nothing but a condition of atmosphere on particular place or a time. That is called a weather. Weather is a condition of atmosphere of a particular place or a time. You know what is meant by atmosphere? A thick blanket of air. Okay, a thick blanket of air surrounded total earth. So that is called atmosphere. What is meant by atmosphere? Thick blanket of air. Because of this atmosphere only, the ultraviolet rays coming from the sun, those are not reaching directly on the earth. Otherwise, we will get the diseases, many diseases, cancers coming. Okay, so it is protecting layer. Atmosphere is protecting us from the ultraviolet rays of the sun, very harmful rays coming from the sun. Okay, so those are protecting, giving protection by this atmosphere. Now you got idea now what is meant by atmosphere? A thick blanket of air surrounded by earth. What is meant by weather? Weather is a condition of atmosphere of a particular place or a time. Now we will discuss what is meant by season. So what is meant by season? Now we are discussing. Sometimes what happen now? Weather conditions remain same for a long period. That is called a season. What is meant by season? Season is nothing much the weather condition. The weather condition remain same. Remain same for a period, a long period. For a long period or a spell. For a long period is called season. Now listen what is meant by season. Season is nothing but the weather condition remain same for a long period is called a season. For example, you take April, May, June. What is the months? The 3 months we are giving holiday. April, May, June. We are April, May. We are getting summer vacation. No. Why? the 2 months are, the temperature is high. Okay, so for the 3 months, the long period, the 3 months are hot. Okay, so what we say, it is the summer season. So like that, what is meant by season? The weather condition remains same for a long period. The 3 months, we are feeling somewhat hot now. So the 3 months are hot. So for a long period, the 3 months is not long period only no. So for the 3 months long period is called a season. The weather condition remains same for a long period of time. That is called a season. So now we are discussing about the seasons. How many seasons are there in India? There are 3 seasons in India. Mainly 3 seasons in India. When we take the India, in India we have 3 seasons. In India we have 3 seasons. Okay, so what are that? One is summer season. Rainy season. Winter season. What are the 3 seasons in India? Summer season, rainy season and winter season. Now we are discussing about summer season. So summer season falls in April, May, June. When you are feeling summer season? In the month of April, May, June. So, what is the condition in summer season? Summer days are cool? No. Summer days are hot. How you feel during summer? In summer season we are feeling hot. Why it is hot? Because the sun rays are falling directly on the earth. Okay, so the sun rays are falling directly on the earth. That is why in these 3 months you are feeling very hot. That season is called the summer season. So during summer season what you do? For example, you are going and playing outside? No. People are feeling very hot, no? So that is why most of the people they are spending lot of time in indoors. Okay, why? Because in summer season the weather is very hot. So people are not going outside and moreover they are spending lot of time in the inside the rooms. Okay, and play indoor games like chess, caroms, etc. Okay, next, which kind of clothes do we wear? So we are wearing in summer season cotton cloths. We prefer cotton cloths during the summer season. Why? Because cotton cloths are allowing air, well ventilated. Okay, so when you observe the cotton cloths, the threads what are present in the cotton, no? So those are allowing the air and moreover they are absorbing more sweat. So how you feel during summer season? Very hot. That is why sweat coming now. So these cotton cloths are absorbing sweat, more sweat. Okay, so that is why and allowing more air to our body. That is why we are using cotton cloths during summer season. And one more. Then what we eat? So mostly we prefer cool drinks. We prefer cool drinks and what do you like? Yeah, during summer season we are enjoying with ice cream and moreover we like to eat juicy fruits like watermelon. Okay, so we like to eat juicy fruits like watermelon and we prefer cool fruit juices, everything. Okay, and when we take the days, the days are longer. Days are longer and nights are shorter. Means during 6-7 o'clock also somewhat light only when we look outside. Okay, means days are longer and nights are shorter. So this is the speciality of summer season. Okay, and when we take the June month now, 23rd June is the longest day. 23rd June is the longest day. Longest day of the year. Okay, so we follow, and when you are going outside, what you use? We are using the umbrellas and sunglasses to protecting from the sunlight. We are using the caps during this season. Okay, so once again listen about the summer season. During summer season, when summer season falls? Summer season falls in the month of April, May and June. Okay, so what is the climate? The day is very hot. We are feeling very hot. Why? Because what is the reason? Means the sun rays are directly falling on the earth. So that is why we are feeling hot. So we are not going outside. Mostly we prefer indoor games. Which kind of clothes do we wear during summer season? Cotton. So what you prefer? We prefer cool drinks and ice creams, juicy fruits like watermelon. Next, how the days? Days are longer and the nights are shorter. Next, which is the longest day? 23rd June is the longest day of the year. So this is about the summer season. Now we will discuss about the rainy season. So rainy season falls in the month of July, August and September. Okay, so rainy season falls during July, August and September. Listen, so the days are, when we see outside, always raining. Okay, so what is the condition? The condition is, when we look outside, we are feeling somewhat hot during rainy seasons, daytime. Why? Because the sky is cloudy. When it is rain, we are feeling cool. But when there is no rain in the daytime, so how you feel? The sky is filled with the total clouds. Okay, the cloudy days are hot, not cool. Cloudy days are not cool. How you feel? Hot. So during rainy season, when the rains, automatically we are feeling cool. Okay, when there is no rain, the cloudy days are warmer compared to the rainy days when the rain is cool. Okay, next. So, in the rainy season, mostly the trees are growing properly because they are getting enough water. They get enough water to grow. So, when you look surroundings, it is greenery only. Okay, so all the farmers are busy in their works during rainy season. So we are not going outside now. So mostly we will spend a lot of time in the indoors. Okay, so when there is no rain, we can do our activities. So when you are you want to do any activities, what you use? We are using umbrellas and raincoats. Okay, to protect from the rain. That is about the rainy season. Next, coming to the winter season. So when winter season falls in the month of November, December and January. Okay, so when you feel winter season in the month of November, December and January. Okay, tell me now. During winter season, the weather is cool. How the weather is? Cool. Why? Because the sun rays are not falling directly on the earth, slanting position. Okay, so light is falling. Sun rays are falling on the earth, how? In slanting position. So that is why we are feeling cool in the month of winter. Okay, so weather is cool. So what you do? So which kind of clothes we are wearing? We prefer woolen clothes. Okay, woolen clothes and quilts you are using, blankets you are using. Mostly when there is a sunrise, no, automatically we are running to the ground and we are standing in the sunlight. Means to escape from the coolness of that. Okay, so when the sunrays are falling, automatically we will feel somewhat hot. Then what you drink? Cool drinks and ice creams? No, no. The weather is cool. No. So what you prefer? We prefer hot drinks like what we drink? Tea, coffee, and soups. Okay. So what we prefer? The weather is cool. No. So that is why we prefer hot drinks like tea, coffee and soups. Okay, so the weather is cool. So when the sunlight come, when the sun rays automatically we are going outside and we will prefer outdoor games. Okay, so we can keep our houses by using the heaters. We can keep our house heat by using the heaters. Okay, otherwise in some areas they use fireplaces are present in their houses. Okay, so they use these fireplaces. When they put fire in the room, automatically they are protecting from the coolness and the room will hot when they use the fireplaces. This is about the winter season. So the seasons are 3. These are the longest seasons. Okay, so the longest 3 seasons are in India, nothing but summer season, rainy season and winter season. Okay, now along with this, we have shortest seasons. Two shortest seasons. What are that? Listen now. So what are the shortest season? First one is the spring season. Okay, when it falls, spring season in the month of February and March. Okay, so what is the condition in this season? Means the weather is not too cold, not too hot. The weather condition in spring season not too cold, not too hot. Okay, and days and nights are equal. For example, you take summer season. The days are long and the nights are short now. So, by you take the spring season, not too hot, not too cold. That is why days are equal. Okay, so when we see outside surroundings, all the plants are blooming, new leaves are coming. Whenever you see, beautiful season is nothing but the spring season. Why? Because now all the butterflies, the nature is very beautiful. So all the insects like butterflies, bees are enjoying in the nature. Okay, so most of the people prefer picnics. Most of the people prefer picnics during this season. Why? Because the weather is not too cold, not too hot. So most of the people are going to the picnic in this season. Okay, next coming to the autumn. Okay, autumn season. Autumn season falls during October and November. In this also, the weather is not too hot, not too cold. But what is the speciality of this season? No? Here the leaves are growing, new leaves are coming, flowers are blooming. But when you take autumn season, the plants shed their leaves. All the leaves are drying. All the leaves are drying and falls down. We can observe dew in this season. Okay. So autumn season falls in the October and November. Not too cold, not too hot. Okay. That is why only 2 months now. So when we take summer season, it is 3 months. But when you take spring season, only February and March. That is why when we take India, it have three main seasons. What are that? Summer season, winter season and rainy season. along with the two short seasons. What are the? Spring season and autumn season. This is about the seasons in India. Okay. So what I explained in this topic? First I explained about the weather and next season. What is meant by weather? Weather is the condition of atmosphere of a particular place or a time is called weather. Next what I explained about the season. What is meant by season? The weather condition remains same for a long time. That is called a season. Okay, how many seasons are present in India? 3 main seasons. What are that? Summer season, rainy season, winter season. Again 2 short season, autumn season and spring season. Okay, so when do we wear this? Okay, thank you.